welcome back to Tech Doot. My name is Vinay, and in today's video I have brought you a demonstration of how to install a M.2 SSD on your motherboard. So I've got MSI 250M Pro-VDH motherboard, which comes with a M.2 80mm slot. So I'm gonna be using my Samsung 970 EVO SSD giving you a demo on how to get it installed. So please stay tuned so that you will know how to do it yourself. Okay guys, so to get started with the installation of my solid state drive, so I have taken off the lid of the cabinet, and as you can see, this is my motherboard. So in here we have a 80mm M.2 solid state drive slot, which is right below the graphics card, which you won't be able to see right now in the camera. So as you might have guessed already, that we'll have to just take off the graphics card first and then install the SSD and then put the graphics card back. Okay guys, so let me quickly take out these power connectors one by one. Okay. Alright, the second one is also done. So the graphics card slot is like this much bigger, okay, this much wider, and at this end of the graphics card you have the button to just press and it will unplug the graphics card. So I'm gonna press it and it will come out easily. Okay, so now it's quite easy to take it out. Just try to take it out from the front side like this, and now from the back side like this. So it has come out successfully. Now I just need to move it a further bit inside and then take it out like this. Okay, so here's the graphics card. We have successfully unplugged it. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the graphics card slot, which is PCIe 3.0 version, and just next to it we can see the M.2 SSD slot, which you can see, which goes here to here. Okay, that's the screw that gets tightened over the SSD in the end. Okay friends, so here is the Samsung 970 EVO M.2 SSD, which we are going to install in my cabinet. As you can see, here is its M.2 connector on the side. And guys, this is how you plug the SSD in its slot. So just push it inside like this, it's fitted, and now we just place it down and tighten the screw on top of this. Okay guys, so here we are done with tightening the screw, and as you can see, it's fitted quite well now on both sides. So that's how you install the M.2 SSD on your motherboard. So whenever you are thinking of buying a solid state drive from the market or from online marketplace, so you have to be careful about first checking what motherboard you have, which make and model you have, and which solid state drive port it supports. So you need to first check that, and you have to just buy the matching version of the SSD from the marketplace. So my motherboard supports the M.2 SSD, so that is why I bought the M.2 SSD. Okay friends, so that's pretty much it for the solid state drive installation video. Hope you liked the video today. For more videos like this, I'd request you to please subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, then please like and share the video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching Tech Doot. You have a nice day. I'll see you in the next one.